Welcome, this is attorney Thomas B. Burton, and today I want to talk about how you can get a durable power of attorney signed even during the coronavirus crisis. So I was thinking about this topic today on the way into the office, and traditionally here in Wisconsin, we would have you sign a durable financial power of attorney in front of a notary public. Now, if you've seen my other videos, I give you some options on ways to do remote notary right now, and you should check out those videos. But for purposes of a durable financial power of attorney, many of you are aware that right now many seniors are in nursing homes and assisted living facilities are on lockdown due to the coronavirus crisis. So traditionally, as attorneys, we would say you should sign that power of attorney in front of a notary public, and either the attorney would go to the client or you would get a mobile notary to visit there. Well, right now that's not an option, and it's going to be also as we progress this week with people being told to stay at home. As you know, the bank lobbies are closed and they don't want people going out to visit a notary public face-to-face. So that remote notary option is going to become key. But another method we have is that the statutes in Wisconsin do not actually say a financial power of attorney needs to be signed in front of a notary in order to be valid. The statutes do say if it's signed in front of a notary public, it is presumed valid. So what's happened is financial institutions have come to rely on having it signed in front of a notary because they're used to seeing that. But be aware that it's not strictly required under the law. So right now, if you need a financial power of attorney, what I would recommend doing is having the person making it sign it. And if you're able, have some people witness their signature when they do it. But all that's needed for it to be valid under the law is for it to be signed. And I would do that immediately in order to get it in place. And then as the crisis abates, if you're able to later execute it again in front of a notary public, I would do that just to ease the administration of using that power of attorney because it's what banks and other places are used to seeing. Or your other option right now is if you or a loved one needs a power of attorney, you could have my office or another lawyer draft it up for you, and then you could execute it in front of a mobile notary via a notary public licensed in another state. So under the U.S. Constitution, each state recognizes the laws of the other state, and we have a statute here in Wisconsin saying that a document executed before a notary in another state is valid here as if it was executed before a Wisconsin notary public. So if you have questions about that, contact my office. Watch my other video on how to execute a document in front of a notary, a remote notary public, and you can do it that way. But just be aware that there's a variety of methods we can use even during the social distancing and the coronavirus crisis to get you that power of attorney in place. And why I'm emphasizing this is for many folks, that durable financial power of attorney is essential to name someone as their agent to sign on their behalf, pay bills, and take care of their financial affairs for them when they cannot. So for senior adults in a nursing home right now, if they can't receive visitors and can't get out, they probably need an agent to act on their behalf to help manage their finance and property. And even for the rest of you, it's a good idea to have this in place because if you're ever incapacitated or unable to act, that agent can act on your behalf. So today I wanted to shoot this quick video on how you can still execute a durable financial power of attorney either with or without a notary. And if you have any questions on how to do this, feel free to shoot me a message, contact my office, we'd be happy to help. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.